Hi, I'm Gordon Heelis, IFPD and Commercial Displays Business Manager at Optoma. I'm delighted to introduce to you our most advanced interactive flat panel display to date, the Creative Touch 5 Series. Now with Google EDLA certification, the 5 Series brings to you the best of Google services such as Gmail, Chrome, and of course, the Google Play Store. With thousands of apps at your fingertips, you can seamlessly integrate them with your favorite tools for work, education, and collaboration. The Creative Touch 5 Series is designed to boost productivity and creativity with powerful built-in software known as the Optoma Solution Suite, bringing together our whiteboard, display share for bringing your own meeting, and file manager, which connects to all your cloud storage. The 5 Series features a quick launch pen, meaning you can start that meeting, that lesson, by simply lifting the pen. For that immersive audio experience, the 5 Series features an 8-array microphone, 18-watt speakers, and 2 subwoofers for crystal clear sound. The optional NFC and sensor box enables a smooth, more connected and smarter experience. To learn more about our innovative interactive technology, visit us at optomaeurope.com.